Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Friends, today in this lecture we will discuss the very most important topic, degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom, one times all of you have discussed in previous classes in class 12th and in thermodynamical physics also. But today here we will discuss degrees of freedom by or according to statistical point of view, according to the concept of statistical physics. So friends, we will continue and we will see here degrees of freedom. Friends, according to your previous definition of degrees of freedom, we can say here any particle which may possesses total number of independent freely motion is known as number of degree of freedom for that particle or body. But friends, in case of statistical physics, if we will assume any system which consists by some number of molecules of gases, then energy of this system will be expressed by the energy expressed of system by two coordinates. One is momentum coordinates and other is position coordinate. Position and momentum coordinates. Friends, if we will assume system has only one molecule, if system consists by only one molecules, then energy of this system consists by F coordinates. If we are assuming here system have only one molecules, then some coordinates of momentum it will possess and some coordinates of position it will possess. So friends, here we are assuming a system which have only one molecules. F coordinates of momentum and F coordinates of position. By these two statements, by these two concepts, we can express energy of this system which have one molecule. Then its degree of freedom will be F if system have only one molecules. If we are considering a system have n molecules, then NF coordinates it will possess NF coordinates of position and NF coordinates of momentum. Then degree of freedom of this system, which consists by n number of molecules, will be nf. It will be the degree of freedom according to statistical point of view. So friends, I hope degrees of freedom according to statistical point of view has been clear to all of you. So today we will stop here and we will discuss next important definition of your paper statistical physics, and we will continue in our lecture series. So today we will stop here. Thank you very much.